Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to include the Google fonts in our PHP project. So let's get started with it. So go to your Google Chrome and search for Google Fonts. So you will get the first link over here, fonts.google.com. Over here you will have a lot of fonts to choose. So you can just choose whichever you want. So I just prefer this Roboto, and you have a lot of styles over here. So you just take the regular 400, select the style, and you get the link over here. Copy this link and go to your code and your header.php. Go to your includes header.php and you can just paste it over here and align it. So we have pasted the link over here. Now let's go back to the website and you have the CSS rules over here. So just copy this and go to your custom.css file. So we haven't created any CSS, so we'll just go and create one, custom.css, and over here I'm going to say star open close and paste. Okay, so this asterisk means apply to all the elements present in our website. So I am just applying this for all the things and we will just link it over here, this custom.css. So we'll go back to our website and now when you just refresh, you will just notice a change over here in our font. Refresh, so here it is. So we have got the Roboto font. We will also be including the font awesome, so just go and search for font awesome CDN link. So you will get a lot of links over here. So I'm going to take it from W3 schools. So these are the other versions. So I prefer this one. I will just provide this link in the description. You can just copy it from there. So just go to your header.php and you can just paste it anywhere over here. And that's it. Then you can go to your index.php and here you have hello world, right? So in that you can say i.fa. So font awesome. Let me just say user. Go to your home page. You can see I've got the user icon over here. So we will be using this for the cart and wish list and many more things. So that's it in this video guys. We have seen how to integrate the Google Fonts and Font Awesome in our PHP project. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.